So, I'm still at home, getting ready to head out for work. Gotta be clocked in about an hour, so I decided to at least spend 30 minutes to make a video because I had plans to record something else, but somebody backed out of it. I ain't gonna call them out on the video, but I am gonna call you out on Snapchat. But anyway, let me give y'all this cold start real quick. I just drove the car maybe 2 hours ago, and today it's been like 70 degrees. Right now it's still in the 60s, 61 degrees outside, but let me get into some lightning.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on, they do it. The big living boom, cause they do it. The big like a boom, cause they do it. Come on, come on. The big living boom, cause she liking my flow. Big being on eyes, bitch caught the scope. Beat the ball, the rider with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch, gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime I do, but I still wipe your nose. They do it. They do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he ain't real. I started to pull up and shut up the water. Now show us the nigga that targets. They do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy.
Trying to get y'all some good lighting because it is dark outside. I went to a gas station because you know the gas station got all the best lightning, but you know where the 18-wheelers pump their gas at, you know, that's where all the big lights is. But how come it's about 4 trucks over here just in the way? But anyway, like I said, this is gonna be a short video. Kind of informational a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know I ordered a front splitter, not because I wanted to, but because I had to. But let me tell y'all what happened. So the video that y'all just watched, if y'all keep up with my channel, was the car show. So on the way to the car show, I got on the bypass, and you know, speed limit about 70, 77, 80-ish, a little bit. But I got up there, and it's like my car was shaking a little bit, and as I was driving I could see the hood shaking. So it's like, I remember that happening before, and it was with my other front splitter with the stitcher rise. But I had this front splitter on ever since June of last year, and it's never given me no problem, so I didn't think it was that. So maybe I thought it was just my tire. So you know, long story short, at the end of that day, I'm heading back towards home. I passed a car. I wasn't speeding, but you know, my speed was up there a little bit, and all I heard was just a big thump. So I said, my tire just blew out. I thought it was my tire, so I pulled over. It wasn't my tire, so I said, maybe I just hit something real big. Anyway, let me speed this up. I got home, my front splitter flew off. I ordered that front splitter from Icon Motorsports. Now remind you, I had this front splitter on since June of last year. I've been going over a lot of speed bumps, and you know, some of them sit a little higher than the other ones, and it has been like thumping it, like my car might hit it every now and then. The dude who picked up my front splitter on the side of the road told me it snapped in half, so I'm thinking maybe it was already like broke a little bit, so that's how the wind was getting in there causing it to shake, and then it just flew out. So anyway, I ordered a new front splitter. Maybe that'll be in tomorrow, and y'all get an unboxing / install video on that. I ordered one, it's not the color that I wanted, but it's the only one that they had in my style. I'm impatient. I needed it right then and there. It's carbon fiber. I'm not saying that I don't like carbon fiber, but ain't nothing on my car to really match carbon fiber. So if I don't like it, I want to get it painted all black. But definitely, I'm gonna get it put on as soon as it comes. Let me get out the car and give y'all a walk around so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I ain't been to no meets, no nothing without my front splitter. It's like, I hate the way my car looks without that front splitter. It's like, if you're a car person and you used to having something on your car that you had for a long time, And whenever it's missing without it being your decision, it's gonna hurt. That's a big difference. Like, without that front splitter, my car is at a different stance that I don't like. It's a little bald headed in the front. I don't like that. So yeah, y'all, I do not like my car without a front splitter. So as soon as that happened, I had a front splitter order within an hour and on its way. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this video. You should have liked this video already. You know, go ahead and drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Another thing, if you do thumbnails, channel banners, watermarks, hit me up in my DMs on Instagram. My Instagram is down below, right there on the screen. And message me, send me some of your work because I need some new graphics. Also, but I'm getting ready to get started with this video. This video is gonna be about window tinting. Some of y'all been asking me what's the percent on my windows. And yes, I do have my front windshield tinted. I have to go back to one of my old videos and let y'all know the exact percent. I'm gonna give y'all a comparison view if you want to get your front windshield tinted or any of your windows tinted. The comparison view driving at nighttime. Daytime, you know, it's gonna be fine, but nighttime is the real test. So I'm gonna give y'all different walks around and different views of lightning. You can see, like, you know, as you just looking, you can't see in, but if you really trying to be nosy and you want to stare, you can see, but you can't really see what's going on. You can just really see where the light is hitting. Like, as you can see right there, as the light is coming in. Like, you see, as the light is coming in, but versus as I was on the other side, can't really see because no light is shining down in from that side. But like I said, the side windows is 15. I'm gonna put the video up and I'm gonna go back and check myself. And if I'm wrong, then I'm gonna put it down below. But if I'm right, y'all won't see nothing. And the front windshield is 20%. The rest is 15, and the front windshield is 20%. And the sunroof is tinted, but I got it closed, so no other light is coming in. I need to get a picture real quick. Nah, not without that front splitter, I ain't. So this is the inside view versus how it looks. The window down, the window up, see that? And let me get on the road. Like where I live at, it's a lot of, I ain't gonna say back roads, but it's a lot of roads that's not lit up like a city. Oh, and I meant to tell y'all, I drive with my headlights only running the DRLs and the fog lights, which I would get out and show y'all, but I got a car coming up behind me. So let me go ahead and pass the stop sign and I pull over and show y'all what I'm talking about for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about. So this is what your settings would look like if you was only running the DRLs and fog lights. But in order to have the fog lights running, you have to push this in, and as you can see, is this button, well, this light right here would be on. That's for your fog lights. I push this in, and your fog lights is off. Right there, that means your fog lights and your other headlights is on. But remember, if it's up this way, let me see, focus, that's the DRL. That's how I drive. And it is a big difference in lightning. You see, it's only the DRLs running. This right here is the DRLs, a little line. The little light right here is not on, and the fog lights is on. I think the car looks more appealing and more aggressive when you drive like that versus the regular auto mode, which would be when you switch your lights back to all the way to the left. It still looks good, but it's like that added extra light in that middle. I don't like that. But, you know, they say it's safer to drive this way, but I think it looks better to drive the other way. But I'm gonna give y'all a different comparison of those light settings. With tint, without tint. So right now I just got my DRLs and fog lights on. Now, if I was to turn the fog lights off, I'm about to show y'all, it will look like I don't have on no headlights. You can see that other light is not on. I'm about to cut them back on. Off, on. So the fog lights really do add a lot of extra light. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks outside the window without tint.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So they got me in that mode, bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Smoke a bit.
Okay, now I'm about to switch the settings to auto. You see, it's like a big change. I know it's a big change because I'm used to this lightning. To some of you, it may not look like a big change, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. Here's what I was driving in before, and here's auto. Show y'all outside the window.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So, let me switch my settings back because I don't like that. But my tip to some of you, if you have visual problems, I would say don't get your windshield tinted. If you was to get it tinted, at least stay in like the 30 to 35% range. Don't go any lower. The lower you go, some people think the higher you go, that's the darker the tint is. No, it's the lower you go, that's the darker the tint. This is just a regular view on the inside. Driving at night. I can see very well. Some of you, it's like you'll have to get adjusted to it. So now I'm coming into a more well lit area. You know, more lights on the street. As you can see, it's not a bad view. This is how it look without the tint. See how much brighter it is. My settings still on just DRLs. Them the regular lights. Like I said, y'all, this is nothing but a quick upload. I'm trying to upload more because I'm tired of going into work every day. But I'm trying to give y'all more content, so if the ads is not too long, please make sure y'all do not skip them ads. Y'all like these videos, leave comments, share the videos. Even if you already watched the videos, go back and let the videos play again. Like, you know, whenever you taking a shower or something, you leaving the house and you coming back, just put on the video and let it play. I would greatly appreciate it. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel if you ain't already subscribed. And quit ghost watching. It's free. To subscribe is free to support.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Bitch, I got out of school and I put down the ball and I picked the
whole party. You know, I go see my shit. She's probably gonna get some action today. So y'all can, you know, follow my page. I'm trying to come for, not for broad or anything, but, you know, top five.